Hi everyone, Namaste. Today's recipe is sweet corn cutlets. In a mixie jar, take 1 cup frozen sweet corn, 2 green chilies, grind and keep aside. Take 4 medium-sized boiled potato, peel, grate them, keep in a bowl, add the corn mixture, 1 medium-sized chopped onions, 1 teaspoon oregano powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, 3 tablespoon cornflakes powder, mix well. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoon corn flour. Mix them well. Take small portions of the mixture, make desired shape and keep them on the plate. Preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Fry the cutlets in 2 batches. Place a parchment paper. Place the cutlets. Brush them with some oil on the top. Fry them for 15 minutes each on both sides. Turn the cutlets, brush some oil and fry for another 15 minutes. Serve sweet corn cutlets with chutney or tomato sauce. And for school lunches, you can pack them along with some fruits and cupcakes. If you've liked this video, please do put a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.